Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy's Megan Cruz, and I'm taking you inside KSC. Standing at 212 feet tall, the core stage of the Space Launch System, or SLS, is now integrated with the twin solid rocket boosters inside the Vehicle Assembly Building at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Teams with NASA's Exploration Ground Systems and contractor Jacobs lifted the 188,000-pound core stage, rotated it into a vertical position, and moved it from the transfer aisle into High Bay 3, where it was lowered onto the mobile launcher. Together, the core stage and solid rocket boosters will provide a total of 8.8 million pounds of thrust to send Artemis 1 on its journey to space. The first in an increasingly complex set of missions, Artemis 1 will test SLS and the Orion spacecraft as an integrated system prior to crewed flights to the moon. Katherine, an operations analyst for Gateway Program's Deep Space Logistics at Kennedy, will be joining 9 other federal employees in Japan after receiving the prestigious and highly sought Mansfield Fellowship. Sponsored by the U.S. State Department, the year-long fellowship involves an intensive Japanese language program and placement in Japanese government agencies to develop a deeper cultural understanding between the United States and Japan. For more Inside KSC, check us out on social media and at nasa.gov/Kennedy.